Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds from Cash App to Chase Checking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the Balance tab located at the bottom of the screen. Select the Cash Out option. Choose the amount you wish to transfer to your Chase Checking account. Tap on Cash Out again after entering the amount. Select your preferred transfer speed, instant or standard. If you choose instant, a small fee will apply. If you choose standard, funds will typically arrive within 1 to 3 business days. Next, you will need to link your Chase Checking account if you haven't already. To do this, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Linked Accounts. Choose Link Bank. Follow the prompts to enter your Chase account information. This may include your account number and routing number. Once your Chase account is linked, return to the Cash Out screen. Confirm the transfer details and finalize your transaction. You should receive a notification confirming the transfer. Check your Chase account after the transfer period to ensure the funds have arrived. If there are any issues, contact Cash App support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.